The 2026 BMW 7 Series facelift is the pinnacle of luxury and innovation, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with refined craftsmanship. Every detail of this flagship sedan has been meticulously designed to create an unparalleled driving experience. From the moment you set your eyes on its commanding presence, the elegance of its design becomes unmistakable. The signature kidney grille, now more sculpted and refined, takes center stage, illuminated by BMW's signature iconic glow lighting, giving the front fascia a striking yet sophisticated presence. Flanking the grille are the sleek, adaptive LED headlights with precision laser technology, offering superior visibility and a dynamic aesthetic. The redesigned front bumper integrates seamlessly with aerodynamic elements, enhancing both performance and efficiency. Moving along the sculpted sides, the flowing character lines define the 7 Series' stately silhouette. The flush door handles add a touch of modernity, seamlessly integrating with the body for a cleaner, more refined appearance. The expansive panoramic glass roof extends towards the rear, allowing natural light to flood the luxurious cabin while offering breathtaking views. The chrome accents and high-gloss black elements provide a subtle yet powerful contrast, reinforcing the sedan's premium appeal. At the rear, the redesigned LED taillights are slimmer and more dynamic, connected by an elegant light strip that accentuates the vehicle's width. The sculpted trunk lid features an integrated spoiler, enhancing aerodynamics while maintaining a seamless design language. The dual exhaust outlets, now elegantly integrated into the lower bumper, emphasize the vehicle's performance pedigree. Every inch of the exterior speaks of prestige, sophistication, and advanced engineering, making the 2026 BMW 7 Series facelift a true masterpiece on wheels. Stepping inside, you're immediately greeted by a world of opulence and innovation. The interior of the 7 Series is a sanctuary of luxury, designed to offer the highest levels of comfort, convenience, and technology. The cabin is adorned with premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood, and brushed metal accents. The ambient lighting system is fully customizable, allowing you to set the perfect mood for every journey. At the heart of the driver's cockpit is the BMW curved display, seamlessly integrating a high-resolution digital instrument cluster and a massive infotainment touchscreen. The latest iDrive system, powered by BMW's intelligent personal assistant, provides intuitive control over navigation, media, climate, and vehicle settings. With natural voice recognition and gesture controls, interacting with the 7 Series is more intuitive than ever. The advanced augmented reality head-up display projects essential information onto the windshield, ensuring that crucial details are always within the driver's line of sight. The redesigned steering wheel features capacitive touch controls, allowing for effortless access to essential functions. The seats, wrapped in the finest merino leather, offer heating, ventilation, and massage functions, ensuring unparalleled comfort on long journeys. The extended rear seat luxury package transforms the back seats into a first-class experience. Rear passengers can enjoy reclining seats with footrests, personal entertainment screens, and a state-of-the-art surround sound system that delivers an immersive audio experience. For those who demand the highest level of exclusivity, the Executive Lounge package offers handcrafted details, a center console with a champagne cooler, and a rear seat control panel that manages lighting, climate, and entertainment functions with a simple touch. The cabin is further enhanced by advanced noise-canceling technology, creating a serene and tranquil environment, perfect for relaxation or productivity. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW 7 Series facelift offers a range of powertrain options, each delivering exceptional performance, efficiency, and refinement. The lineup includes a highly efficient plug-in hybrid variant, a powerful twin-turbocharged V8, and an all-electric i7 model, catering to a variety of driving preferences. The advanced air suspension system ensures a smooth and composed ride, adapting to road conditions in real time. With intelligent all-wheel drive and adaptive driving modes, the 7 Series delivers an unmatched balance of power, agility, and comfort. The cutting-edge driving assistance systems take safety and convenience to the next level. The latest iteration of BMW's semi-autonomous driving technology enables hands-free highway driving in specific conditions, utilizing an array of sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence. The active cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance systems work seamlessly to provide a stress-free driving experience. Parking is effortless with the remote-controlled parking feature, allowing the 7 Series to maneuver into tight spaces autonomously. Connectivity is at the forefront of the 7 Series experience. The vehicle is equipped with 5G capability, ensuring lightning-fast data speeds for streaming, navigation, and cloud-based services. The integrated digital key allows you to unlock and start the car using your smartphone, while the BMW Connected Drive services offer real-time traffic updates, concierge assistance, and remote vehicle monitoring. Sustainability plays a crucial role in the 2026 BMW 7 Series facelift. BMW has implemented eco-friendly materials throughout the cabin, including sustainable wood trims and recycled fabrics. The plug-in hybrid and fully electric variants showcase BMW's commitment to reducing emissions without compromising performance or luxury. With advanced regenerative braking and intelligent energy management, the 7 Series maximizes efficiency while delivering an exhilarating driving experience. The refined chassis and precision engineering ensure that the 7 Series remains the ultimate luxury sedan. The lightweight construction, combined with innovative aerodynamics, enhances both fuel efficiency and dynamic handling. The rear-wheel steering system improves maneuverability, making city driving effortless while enhancing stability at higher speeds. Customization is key with the 7 Series, offering an array of bespoke options to suit individual tastes. The BMW Individual program allows for exclusive paint finishes, personalized interior trims, and unique upholstery combinations, ensuring that every 7 Series is a true reflection of its owner's style. From handcrafted details to cutting-edge technology, the possibilities are endless. The luxurious showroom, where the 2026 BMW 7 Series facelift is displayed, perfectly complements the grandeur of the vehicle. The ambient lighting casts a warm glow over the polished exterior, highlighting every intricate detail. The showroom's high-end design, featuring marble floors, contemporary chandeliers, and a grand illuminated wall displaying the name BMW 7 Series, creates an atmosphere of exclusivity and prestige. The environment is designed to provide an immersive experience, allowing guests to explore the craftsmanship, technology, and innovation that define BMW's flagship sedan. Every aspect of the 2026 BMW 7 Series facelift embodies the essence of modern luxury. It is a statement of power, elegance, and advanced technology, setting a new benchmark for the luxury sedan segment. Whether you are behind the wheel or enjoying the unparalleled comfort of the rear seats, the 7 Series delivers an experience like no other. This is more than just a car, it is the future of luxury mobility, designed for those who demand nothing but the best. With its striking design, state-of-the-art features, and commitment to sustainability, the 2026 BMW 7 Series facelift represents the evolution of excellence. It is not just a mode of transportation but a sanctuary on wheels, redefining what it means to drive in absolute comfort and sophistication. The journey begins the moment you step inside, where every detail has been carefully curated to provide an extraordinary driving experience. For those who seek the pinnacle of automotive innovation, the 2026 BMW 7 Series facelift stands as a testament to BMW's relentless pursuit of perfection. It is the embodiment of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology, crafted to elevate every journey to a new level of refinement.